Hi guys, this is our first travel video and today we are going to explore Talakaveri. It is said to be the source of river Kaveri. It is also called as Talakaveri. From my home it is 45 kilometers away and it will take around 2 to 2.5 hours to reach Talakaveri. Just we have stopped here to explore the waterfalls. We can see many waterfalls on the way. Okay, now let's continue our journey to Talakaveri. Yeah, now I'm so excited to tell you that we are near to Talakaveri. Many cars are parked here. So this will be the car parking area. Saying about Talakaveri, it is situated 1276 meters above from the sea level. This is the entrance of Talakaveri temple. It's a huge entrance actually. So quiet and calm. According to popular myths, it said that sage Agastya, by his yogi's power, turned Kaveri to water, which he filled in his water pot. And it's claimed that God Ganesha, as having taken the form of crow and toggling the water from the water pot, and the river Kaveri has originated. Now we are moving on to the temple. Photography and videography is prohibited. You can see from here only the Kaveri river starts to flow. We can see the flow nicely. After offering prayers at the tank strings, we ascend a flight of steps leading up to the summit of a mist-kissed Brahmagiri Hills. We are on the top of the hill. You can see that this hill is surrounded by different other mountains, and all these mountains come under Western Ghats of South India. We enjoyed a lot here. It was one of the best moments, with full of peace, calm and a nice climate. Actually everyone has to explore this climate. I can never explain the experience that I had when I reached on the top of the hill. The only thing I have to say you is that go explore Talakaveri.